Hey y'all, welcome to Chy'Ann Galore, where we design in faith with more. Thank you for tuning to another video. We are going to learn how to create our own gradient maps by simply using a website and Photoshop. So if you want to continue to see this content, please like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into the tutorial. So first, open up a new tab in your browser, and then go to this website called coolors.co. It is a color palette generator. They have training palettes that most people use. As you can see, as you hover on each color, it shows you the hex value, and once you click on it, it copies it. And looking at all these colors reminds me of the rainbow, which is God's promise to never flood the earth again. And I can reference that in Genesis 9, verse 12 through 15, which says, "Then God said, I am giving you a sign of my covenant with you and with all living creatures for all generations to come. I have placed my rainbow in the clouds. It is the sign of my covenant with you and with all the earth. When I send clouds over the earth, the rainbow will appear in the clouds, and I will remember my covenant with you and with all living creatures. Never again will the flood waters destroy all life." God did not break his promise. I just wanted to reference that. I truly love all the colors that God created. So now, the next step, we are going to search for a color palette. So go to the search bar. We're going to be using 4 colors. Scroll down and pick which color palette you would like to use. I'm liking this monochromatic blue gradient that I see. Open up Photoshop, go to New File. The artboard size will be 1080 by 1080 pixels. Resolution will be 300, and the background color will be black. Press Create. At the bottom right corner, go to New Adjustment Layer. Press Gradient Map. Double click on the gradient. Now we are going to copy and paste. So go back to the website, copy the first color, go back to Photoshop, paste it at the first stop by double clicking. Paste this by pressing Ctrl V. Say OK. Add a new stop. Go back to the website, copy the next one, and then so on and so on. Okay, change the locations of each stop. So this one will be 30. The next one will be 70. Say OK. To make this gradient map come to life, we're going to add an image. So go to File, Place Embedded, and then we're going to use this image right here. Drag the image under the gradient map, and then it takes effect. Go back to the gradient map, and you can always reverse it to have a different effect. To save this gradient map, double click on the gradient, then add a new folder by simply going to this box over here, right clicking, new gradient group. We're going to name this tutorial. Say OK. Make sure the folder is highlighted, and to save it, press New. And now you have that gradient saved. Say OK. And that's how you make a gradient map. If you have any questions or concerns, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all next time. Have a blessed one, y'all. Peace.